Hi, I'm Jamie Wade. I'm the owner of Sandhill Kitchen and I'm the chef here. We opened in January of 2017 and before I opened this place, I have worked as a cook in many places all over America, including the Outer Banks of North Carolina, New Orleans, Arizona, Wyoming. And so I bring a lot of experience and know-how to what we're doing. Even though we're doing simple food, we try to do it the very best that I know how. And we are located inside a BP gas station at Sardis and Sandhill Roads in Candler. And we have heard that we have the best fried chicken in town. In addition to our fried chicken sandwich, we're also known for our burgers. We call them the Love Burger, and we actually won the local burger cook-off in 2018. And we have fantastic Reubens. If you like Reubens, this is the place to get one. We serve breakfast Wednesday through Saturday mornings, and we feature breakfast burritos and bowls of goodness with fried grits and homemade sausage. And on Saturdays, we run a breakfast special, which could be anything from French toast to Monte Cristos or all sorts of things. Since COVID hit, we have changed our operations somewhat in that we are operating takeout only, which is okay for us because we do have a drive-thru window here and people are able to order online or call us on the phone and just swing by and pick up their food. We have a lot of specials here at Sandhill, and they range from entree salads to burger specials, cheesesteaks, meatloaf. So you can always keep up with what we're serving on a daily basis through Facebook, Instagram, and you can check us out at Dig Local. Call us or place an order online, swing through your drive-thru and come pick it up.